Hi everybody. We have a pre-packed concrete and mortar range of product named Fairfix TG. Fairfix TG is a hard-wearing, water-resistant grout for filling joints of tiles. The benefits of using Fairfix TG are: it is hard wearing, it is a water resistant grout for filling joints in exterior and interior walls, floor tiles, mosaics and clinkers up to 5 mm width. It is easy to use and requires only addition of water. It has low cost service life. It does not shrink when it dries. Fairfix TG has excellent adhesion to unglazed surfaces. The uses of Fairfix TG are as under. Fairfix TG can be used on all kinds of floors and wall tiles such as ceramic walls and floor tiles, clinkers and mosaics with joints having maximum 5 mm width. Also used as a grout for dry tiles in kitchen, bathrooms, swimming pools, laboratories, etc. Fairfix TG is a water resistant grout for filling joints of tiles and it is composed of precisely graded pure crystalline marble powder, blend of special cements, water repellent minerals, oxide colors and plasticizers. Also, it does not curl up during application and gives a wear and weather resistant joint with no shrinkage cracks. It is available in different colors. It is suitable for use in tropical and hot climatic conditions. Addition of recommended quantity of water into Fairfix TG makes a smooth and creamy paste which resists water after setting. The application of Fairfix TG are: thoroughly mix Fairfix TG in the ratio of 1 liter water to 3 kg Fairfix TG powder. Allow to stand for 15 minutes. Stir again before use. Fairfix TG shall be applied diagonally into the joints with the help of spatula. Fairfix TG shall be spread for application with the help of trowel and express grout shall be removed using a moist sponge before drying. After the grout is dried, polish the tiles with a clean, dry cloth, leaving the joints flush with the tiles. Moisten the joints with a wet sponge after 24 hours of grouting. Fairfix TG is supplied in 25 kg and 5 kg sacks and 1 kg containers. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.